Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close look and compare a pair of worn Levi's 514 straight jeans with a pair of new ones. So on the left is the new pair and on the right the worn pair, and both were ordered and delivered together a little over 4 years ago. The right pair is the one which I've unpacked and tried on the channel before. So let's go ahead and open the new pair first, which is still in its clear protective packaging, so giving you a look at its details. So once again, it's the Levi's 514 straight jeans in the Nightshine black, and the measurements are 30 waist and 30 length. So 30-inch waist and a 30-inch length. So both are the same, as I've mentioned, both ordered at the same time and delivered at the same time. So let's go ahead and, as I mentioned, open this new pair up. And take a look at these two side by side. So new one still has the tags obviously on the left, and on the right you can see slightly faded but still black in color is the right one. So let's take a look at the new one first very quickly. So all the details right there, so identical in specifications. So the tag, and of course black in the Nightshine black. So giving you a look at its overall details straight out of its clear plastic packaging, and of course unfolding it to give you a further look at its details. So once again, the waist is a 30-inch waist and the length 30 inches long. Okay. And now I'm just going to open it up so you can see the details more clearly. So I'm just going to slide the worn pair slightly to the right so it doesn't interfere with the foreground, and giving you a look at the rest of the details here with the hang tag of this pair of new Levi's 514 straight jeans. So on the reverse side, giving you a look at the details right there, and right there with the barcode and size details 30 by 30. So W30 and L30. And giving you a look at the inside details as well with the tags and labels. Okay. Now we can go ahead and take a look at the worn pair, which I've worn very frequently after unpacking and trying it on this YouTube channel a little over 4 years ago. So you can see the details right there with the fading of the Nightshine black. And of course the shrinking of the back label, and you can see with the back belt loop it's just hanging on by a few threads with plenty of wear on that contact surface on the outside. You can see right there, giving you a look further out at the overall wear details, and the crotch as well, plenty of wear around the crotch or at the bottom part of the jeans right there. So nearly putting a hole through in the crotch area at the rear, and of course flipping over to take a look at the front. It's right there, once again some wear in the crotch area, or front, pants or jeans area, and the crotch area right there. So zipper wear right there, as you can see, the color faded there in those high wear areas. And with the coin pouch, which I use to store my keys, there's definitely a hole right through there and plenty of fading. But overall, the edges of the pockets still in relatively good shape. And of course the leg holes or openings at the bottom of the jeans also in relatively good condition. And of course, let's take a look at the inside by unzipping the zipper and giving you a look at the details around the inside of the jeans. So pockets still in very good shape, no holes or any noticeable wear to them, and of course the labels as well. Giving you a look at the labels. Of the jeans. So as you can see, the print on the inside of the pockets, or at least on the inside of the jeans on the pockets, still very, very legible. And you can see, once again, giving you a sense of the condition of the pockets on the inside. And of course we can flip it out as well. And we can see pretty much the condition of the pockets on the very inside or lining of them. Okay, so overall, the biggest parts of wear is the back middle belt loop, as you can see right there, just nearly separated, only being held together by a few threads right there. And of course the bottom part of the jeans, right where the crotch is, slightly towards the rear, as well as the front. And of course, as I mentioned, with the coin pocket where I store my keys, that's where the hole is quite visible. But nonetheless, in terms of the thigh areas and other parts of the jeans, still in relatively good condition, even the back pockets as well, or the seat of the jeans still in very good condition. And I would attribute the wear on this back belt loop being caused by the constant carrying of a loaded backpack, my Eastpak padded packer or out of office backpack, creating plenty of friction and wear right there. Okay, so overall, just a quick comparison visually, once again, side by side, with the new pair on the left and the worn pair on the right. Let's undo the button as well and actually take a look at the zipper details as well. So you can see with the zipper details, slight tarnishing on the worn one. As you can see with the newer one, the bronze tone or hue is a little brighter compared with the worn pair. Well, of course, and let's take a look at the seat on the inside of the jeans. Just for a bit of clarity right there, so you can see in very good condition right there. With those two pockets, as you can see, visible from the inside. Okay, and one last thing before we make a final comparison with the pair, with these two pairs of jeans, is let's weigh them. So let's remove the tags. So just going to cut this hang tag off with the waistcoat scissors, which I've unpacked on the channel before, and remove the rest of the tags. So that's that. So hang tag removed, and the waist tag removed as well. That's that. We can now make a comparison in terms of their weights of these two Levi's 514 straight jeans in the classic straight fit. So over here I have a RENPHO Smart Kitchen Scale, which I've unpacked on the channel before. And over here is a Selma container, storage container from IKEA. Let's turn on the scale and let's get the weight tagged. So it's showing 0, which is perfect right there. And let's weigh the jeans. So I do have the new pair first. Let's roll it up slightly. And place it in the tub. And it's showing a weight of 598 grams. So giving you a look right there. So 600 grams, 598. Let's try it again so we can see. Empty tub, 0 grams there. And let's place the new pair of 514 straight jeans back in. So 599 grams it is showing right there on the scale. And now let's place the old pair. So take a guess how much this worn out, or I wouldn't say worn out, just only in certain parts of this worn pair weighs. So just rolling it up right now, and let's plug it in the tub. So this is the worn pair, and it's showing 578 grams for the worn pair, as you can see right there. 578, just double checking, so it's 0 grams, and placing the pair of worn 514 straight jeans in there. So 578. So a 21 gram difference between the new and the 4-year-old frequently worn pair. There, a lengthwise side by side with a little over 4-year-old pair at the top and brand new unworn one at the bottom of your screen. So just stacking them one on top of the other so you can see the color difference more clearly as well. And also just mentioning, with the worn pair, I've only just washed and tumble dried it, so it is completely clean and free of any other weight variables right there. So that's the Levi's 514 straight jeans, worn and new. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!